शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते। दिव्यादिव्यारे दीपत्कार कानी कुण्डलमोतिहार दिव्यालापाहुं नमस्कार।
The word Guru is made up of two parts, Guru, Gu and Ru. Gu means the darkness or ignorance and Ru means the dispel. Together it represents the guide who leads a seeker out of ignorance and into wisdom. This day coincides with Vyasa Purnima, celebrating the birth anniversary of the great sage Ved Vyasa, who compiled the 4 Vedas and wrote the epic Mahabharata. It is celebrated on Purnima, which is the full moon day of the Ashadha month as per the Hindu calendar. It symbolizes the illumination of the mind through wisdom and knowledge.
Now we would like to have honored us with their presence today. We have a retired school teacher, and she was born in Porbandar, Gujarat in India. Her educational background is a graduate. She has worked 24 years as a school teacher. She has served as a teacher in Porbandar, and her expertise is in sewing, knitting, or crocheting.
And also invite Yashmeet and Sitish to come. He was 20 years of experience in athlete training, physical conditioning, and support and sports organization management. As an athlete, won different medals in Saudi Arabia, Macau.
Join us today, but his profession is a Hindu priest. His training at Anand Ashram in Bilka, Junagadh. And then his professional journey is after completing studies practicing meditation or dhyan. His areas of expertise are Hindu religion, spirituality, and guiding others. Please represent Mr. Nitin Maharaj. I request everyone to please stand and repeat after me as we sing the Guru Mantra. Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. The name of the Guru Vandana in English is Guru or teacher is direct experience of the Supreme Reality itself. To that divine teacher, I offer my honors. Now I will request everyone to please take their seats.
गुरुदेवी आश्रमालय ज्ञान शिकवतो. आपण पण गुरुदेवनी સાક્ષાત બ્રહ્મદેવ હોય છે. ગુરુ વિના જ્ઞાન નથી એ કહેવત સાચી છે. ગુરુ વિના પ્રકાશ નથી. અંધકારને ગુરુ એટલે અંધકારને ગુરુ એટલે પ્રકાશમાંથી જન્મ લે છે તેને ગુરુદેવ કહેવાય છે.
Sinto-me lisonjeado por estar aqui, fazer parte deste momento especial. Quero agradecer à organização toda, da comunidade hindu, esses gestos tocam-nos por dentro.
estudantes aqui na comunidade do Maputo, em Clinton, há poucos dias houve uma demonstração e alguns dos estudantes que estavam cá presentes poderia pedir, talvez pudesse levantar, só para agradecer mais uma vez ao nosso mestre, aos estudantes do mestre Guilherme que estão cá presentes. Quando esta colaboração que existe entre a comunidade do Maputo
of the program skit presentation, our Swayamsevaks have prepared a small skit on Guru Purnima. We request Kyari, Vihan, Kanav, Nishika, Sia and Prachi them to come on.
धनुर्विद्या के महाज्ञानी सर्वश्रेष्ठ गुरु जिन्होंने शिक्षा पुत्रों को वो थे द्रोणाचार्य। निषाद राज का पुत्र था, सीखने को अतुर था, ये योद्धा सज्जन था, सभ्य था, नाम इसका एकलव्य था। एकलव्य की बस एक ही इच्छा थी कि वो महागुरु द्रोणाचार्य के शिष्य बने। बालक, ये संभव नहीं। यह विद्या हम सिर्फ राजपुत्रों को सिखाते हैं। तुम्हारी यहां कोई जगह नहीं। लेकिन गुरुवर,
क्या कैसे सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है। कैसी है छोड़ गया जो तू, कैसे जिएंगे हम। तू ही किनारा, तू ही सहारा, तू जग सारा, तू ही हमारा सूरज, तू ही तारा। जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा।
जिसने तुम्हें ये महान विद्या सिखाई।
मैं एकलव्य, आप ही को गुरु मान के मैंने ये विद्या ग्रहण की है। ये देखिए, आपकी ये मुद्रा मेरी विद्या का प्रेरणा स्थान है।
तुम्हारे कौशल्य से मैं बहुत प्रभावित हूँ। ये समझो तुम्हारी शिक्षा पूर्ण हुई। मैं तुमसे गुरु दक्षिणा मांगता हूँ। इतिहास कभी नहीं भुला पाएगा। जब जब बात होगी महान शिष्य की, हर बार तुम्हारा नाम लिया जाएगा।
That was a wonderful performance by our swaying singers.
Going to some respected personality who has given some message. It is important for us. So today's Amrit Vachan is why Bhagavad Vach has been considered as the guru for Hindu Swayamsevak Sangh and not any individual. This was told by Dr. Hedgewar many years back when we established it. So it is in Hindi. व्यक्ति चाहे जितना महान हो, वह भी निरंतर पूर्ण और अचल नहीं रह सकता। However perfect a human is, he will never stay perfect and same lifelong. इसीलिए व्यक्ति विशेष को गुरु मानकर अपनी स्थिति विचलित सी कर लेने की अपेक्षा हमने उस अभीक्षणों और प्रभाव विष्णु भगवे ध्वज को गुरु माना है, जिसमें हमारी छवि, इतिहास, परंपरा, राष्ट्र के लिए स्वार्थ त्याग, इतना ही नहीं राष्ट्रत्व के सभी मूल तत्वों का समन्वय हुआ है। So in order that a human mind or a human nature can get distracted, he can become selfish, we have selected the Bhagavad Dhwaj, which is the saffron flag, which as per our culture, as per our Hindu tradition has been the mark of our culture. If we go back to the history, इस अटल और उद्वत ध्वज से हमें जो स्फूर्ति प्राप्त होती है, वो अन्य किसी भी मानवीय विभूति से प्राप्त होने वाली स्फूर्ति से श्रेष्ठ है। So the energy that we get from the Bhagavad Dhwaj or the saffron flag is much higher and stronger than any energy that we can get from an individual. So this was a message why we have never kept any individual as a guru, and the Bhagavad Dhwaj has always been considered, the saffron flag has been considered as a guru. Thank you.
Now I would request Parimal Ji to please join us for a Geet or song on Guru Purnima.
Namaste. First of all, Abhinandan to each and every devotees and Sanatan. Respected Nitin Maharaj, in his lotus feet also my pranam, our Mataji Prafula Ben, my sister pranam, and of course my Guru, the master of Taekwondo that I learned from him from last 10 years, and with the collaboration with the VRS gym, CHM, Kumnad, Hindu, Mapudu, we are here, we are running our successful gurus. And as Priyanka and Rahul guys say very well, that what is the saffron flag importance? It's two corner, it's a triangle saffron flag, Bhagavad Dhwaj. Its two corner represents the purity of purpose and selfless service, and so basically it gives a message to us, the seva, sangathan, sanskriti and the courage. Thank you very much. So I'm just going to Bhagavad Dhwaj hai akhil rashtra guru, sat sat se pranam. Bhagavad Dhwaj hai akhil rashtra guru, sat sat se pranam. lekar Bhagavad marg par bade chale aviram. Bhagavad Dhwaj hai akhil rashtra guru, sat sat se pranam. lekar Bhagavad marg par bade चले अविराम. वैदिक ऋषियों के यज्ञों की इसमें दिखती ज्वाला, इसमें तो शान अपना शान रंग है डाला, इसका दर्शन कलमस हरता, इसका दर्शन कलमस हरता, कर मन निष्काम, इसका दर्शन कलमस हरता, करता मन निष्काम, लेकर भगवा ध्येय मार्ग पर बढ़े चले अविराम, भगवा ध्वज है अखिल राष्ट्र गुरु, सत सत इसे प्रणाम, लेकर भगवा ध्येय मार्ग पर बढ़े चले अविराम। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, Vedanta.
Swayam Selva from Bharat is present with us. We will request Shri Hemant Sangviji to join us and share a few words of wisdom on the auspicious celebration of Guru Purnima.
So, now in today's context, because this Utsav, this Guru Purnima, it's been said that it has been remarked as a Vyas Purnima. Ved Vyas ji almost, we find that it is almost 5,000 years history, the Racheta of 4 Vedas and epic Mahabharata. The Guru delivers, students receive, and when the time comes, the students also deliver to the society. This is the basic parampara of our Guru Purnima. So I will put few thoughts now. So first, Param Pujya Bhagavad Vaj, respected Gurus present here and distinguished Swayamsevaks and families. I am coming from India, so it is my privilege that I am present today here in this Utsav. And see, basically there is a word Samarpan. The Samarpan means we are giving something to someone without expecting anything in return. We know in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Krishna has said that you do your job, you do your karma, don't expect anything in return. But in today's world, if we say that it is not saturated, what we have hear from Pujya Baba, that she has given a service as a teacher, and the other gurus has taught so many students in Maputo about the martial art. So what we say about the Guru is that when the human born, the first Guru is their parents. The way of life is common for all our Hindus. So that is the main sanskar is given by the teacher. In the third stage, when he complete his studies, he come into the profession, business, then the seniors, they teach to the juniors about how to do the business, how to do the service, how to become excellent in their profession, so that they are also the gurus. And Guru Govind do khade kaake lagu paay, Balihari Gurudev ki Govind diyo bataye. So, what is the importance of a Govind? What is the importance of a God? That has been taught by the Guru. Otherwise, I would not have been known that what is the importance of a God. So, देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, हम भी कुछ देना सीखें. Means it is our duty that what we are earning, what we are getting, that we are getting from the society itself. So, it is our duty. We are not making charity. It is our duty that we also deliver to our society for upliftment of our culture, our society and the needs. Thank you very much again that you have provided us with this opportunity. Thank you.
We will try to implement this in our daily life.
This was an excellent message. Presentation and the HSS Vishwa Bharat. conduct the games.
Akash. Repite la palabra. Akash. Ok. Quando dissemos Akash, quem se levantar as mãos? Está claro para ti? Ok, diga a mão. Quando dissemos Dharti, ok? Vais pôr as mãos aqui. Tá bem? E no fim, Patal. Dharti, sorry, Akash, Dharti, Patal. Clear for everyone? Akash, Dharti, and Patal. Only 3 words, okay? The Swayam Sevas can repeat twice or 3 times the same word. Here, it's out. Very simple game. Clear for everyone? Can we start? Okay, let's make a first. Can we start?
We go for one trial round. Okay, so Akash, Patal, Dharti, Akash, Patal, Prithvi, Dharti, Akash,
Akash, Dharti, Akash. Hold on. Okay, repeat again. Okay. Dharti means on the hips and Patal means bend. So now we start again. Dharti, Patal, Akash.
No, I'm not that. I'll just make difference.
Okay. Akash, Dharti, Patal, Akash, Patal, Dharti. Okay, start. Akash,
Out.
Patal, Dharti, Patal, Akash, Patal, Dharti. Akash, Dharti, Patal. Out. Akash, Dharti, Patal, Dharti, Akash. Okay, so now we can. So when I say ऐसा करो, you need to follow what I do. If I say वैसा करो, you don't need to follow. Those who follow me in वैसा करो means they are out. If I say ऐसा करो, every tension. Clear? वैसा करो. Okay. ऐसा करो, वैसा करो. So in वैसा करो, if in वैसा करो, you need to hold your position whatever you are in the previous, okay? वैसा करो. चलो. ऐसा करो, वैसा करो. You need to hold your position, okay? No problem. ऐसा करो, वैसा करो. चलो, now we do fast. ऐसा करो, वैसा करो. Okay? ऐसा करो, वैसा करो. Okay? ऐसा करो, Thank you, everyone. Everyone, please sit down.
Everyone, you stand up of your place.
On behalf of the HSS Mozambique, I express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made today's Guru Purnima celebration a success. We offer our humble pranams to our eternal Guru, the Bhagavad Gita, whose ideas of sacrifice, purity, discipline, and selfless service continue to inspire and guide us. Our sincere thanks to our respected chief guest from CHM, Rashminji, from the Radhakrishna Mandir, from the Anand Ashram, our guests, parents, well-wishers, and every Swayamsevak, Sevikas, volunteers whose dedication made today's program possible. May the inspiration of Guru Purnima strengthen our commitment to serve society and living by the timeless value of them. Thank you all for your presence and your participation. Vishwa Dharma Ki Jai.
Prarthana, followed by lowering the saffron flag.
Repeat after us. Sarva Mangala Mangalyam Devim Sarvada Sadikam Sharanyam Sarva Bhutanam Namo Bhumi Mataram Satchitananda Rupaya Vishwa Mangala Hetave Vishwa Dharmaika Mulaya Namostu Paramatmane Vishwa
As we have come to the end of the HSS Guru Purnima celebration, we would like to thank our gurus and each and every one of you present here today. I would like to thank all of the parents since they are our first gurus and since they have taught us how to walk and how to talk. And I would like to also thank the gurus that gave us knowledge and information about what we are doing and what to do and not what to do. We request everyone to wait and join for light snacks arranged at the back there. Thank you.
We have
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यां देवीं सर्वार्थसाधिकां शरण्यां सर्वभूतानां नमामो भूमिमातरम्
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यां देवीं सर्वार्थसाधिकां शरण्यां सर्वभूतानां नमामो भूमिमातरम्
सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वमङ्गलहेतवे विश्वधर्मैकमूलाय नमोऽस्तु परमात्मने
सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वमङ्गलहेतवे विश्वधर्मैकमूलाय नमोऽस्तु
प्रभो संघटिता वयं शुभामाशिषमस्मभ्यं देहि तत्परिपूर्तये
विश्वधर्मविकासार्थं प्रभो संघटिता वयं शुभामाशिषमस्मभ्यं देहि तत्परिपूर्तये
अजय्यमात्मसामर्थ्यं सुशीलं लोकपूजितं ज्ञानं च देहि विश्वेश ध्येयमार्गप्रकाशकम्
अजय्यमात्मसामर्थ्यं सुशीलं लोकपूजितं ज्ञानं च देहि विश्वेश ध्येयमार्गप्रकाशकम्
समुत्कर्षोऽस्तु नो नित्यं निःश्रेयससमन्वितः तत्साधकं स्फुरत्वन्तः सुवीरव्रतमुज्ज्वलम्
समुत्कर्षोऽस्तु नो नित्यं निःश्रेयससमन्वितः तत्साधकं स्फुरत्वन्तः सुवीरव्रतमुज्ज्वलम्
विश्वधर्मप्रकाशेन विश्वशान्तिप्रवर्तके हिन्दुसङ्घटनाकार्ये ध्येयनिष्ठा स्थिरास्तु नः
विश्वधर्मप्रकाशेन विश्वशान्तिप्रवर्तके हिन्दुसङ्घटनाकार्ये ध्येयनिष्ठा स्थिरास्तु नः
संघशक्तिर्विजेत्रीयं कृत्वा स्मद्धर्मरक्षणं परमं वैभवं प्राप्तुं समर्थास्तु तवाशिषा
संघशक्तिर्विजेत्रीयं कृत्वा स्मद्धर्मरक्षणं परमं वैभवं प्राप्तुं समर्थास्तु तवाशिषा
त्वदीये पुण्यकार्येऽस्मिन् विश्वकल्याणसाधके त्यागसेवाव्रतस्यायं कायो मे पततु प्रभो
त्वदीये पुण्यकार्येऽस्मिन् विश्वकल्याणसाधके त्यागसेवाव्रतस्यायं कायो मे पततु प्रभो
विश्व धर्म की जय।
विश्व धर्म की जय।